Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to scroll down in order to find security. Now let's tap on more settings, and here we've got the option install apps from external sources. So this is the option we're looking for. Let's enter. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. Of course, you can change it. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, you'd like to allow, and tap on the switcher here. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And actually, it will work also the same if you'd like to turn off the permissions. So just tap on the Chrome and tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, from now on, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically, that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.